This is an unbiased review on Zappable. I will provide you the review based on facts and real reviews of manufacturers and real users. And I'm not going to tell you that this product is best or this product is worst. This will be a total fact based review. So before investing your money, just watch this video so that I can help you to make a quicker and wise decision for your dream business. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In today's digital age, mobile apps are of seminal importance to businesses. Not only do mobile apps make the business customer network of communication more fluid, but they also help to generate high rates of conversion. Whether your business is of food delivery, e-commerce or literally anything, a mobile app can take it to the next level. Now, you can build a mobile app for your business even if you do not have the required coding skills. This is where the mobile app building software comes into place. You can now design professional quality mobile apps with ease in minutes. By doing so, you can make your own businesses more interactive and even generate extra capital to fund your businesses. Zappable is one such mobile app building software that helps you to make mobile apps in minutes. By using this software, you can build apps without requiring any technical or coding skills with only a few clicks. This software consists of an easy drag and drop builder to design your app the way you want, be it in any niche, from real estate, food delivery to a personal branding apps. With Zappable, you can build them all. What makes Zappable a unique mobile app building software is that it allows you to publish your app right from within the software. This means that you can publish your mobile app to various app stores directly after you create it. Mobile apps that are built using Zappable also allows you to integrate push notification, image galleries, and so much more. So you can create your app the way it interests to your target audience. So now let's discuss some of the amazing things that you can do with Zappable software. With Zappable, you can engage your audience in a variety of ways. Some of this include surveys, loyalty cards, discount coupons, and more. Also, you can directly engage with your audience through social media integration. Next is in Zappable's in-house training guide. They will provide you tutorials to master each of the features which it is offering. So you can maximize the potential of every feature to design a powerful app. Also, you can optimize your mobile app marketing strategy through the optimum use of each features. So next is the publish the app that you build directly to various app stores including Play Stores and Apple App Stores. Also, Zappable comes with an inbuilt iOS publisher and you can publish diverse forms of content, images, audio, blogs, news, reviews, videos, etc. to interact with your target audience, and you can publish all of this right from within the app. You can restrict access to your app. Yes, you can decide who can download your app and access it. Also, you can ask your audience to subscribe your channel, newsletter, etc. before they download your app. And also you can add call to actions, let your customers shop, book appointment, reserve a table, contact you or find you, all via through a simple mobile app. So now let's discuss the pricing of this mobile software. So this mobile app building software comes at a fixed one-time price of $997 for 1 year. This means that it will cost you about $83 per month, which is way cheaper than other similar mobile app building software. Moreover, with the amazing things that are included in the package, the price is nothing but a reasonable and affordable price for you. Take a look to know the special features of Zappable package. So you can build up to 25 mobile apps each month. You will get 20 plus premium backgrounds with templates. You will get complete design modules. You will get 12 plus content features, also with social media integration, CTAs and user engagement features, and you have free access to all updates. Plus, after you buy the software, you will get an instant access to your account. Conclusion. So get started and make mobile apps like a pro. Be it for your business or for a client, this mobile app building software allows you to create apps that make a difference. Mobile apps are known to get more conversion and sales than a website, and Zappable brings you to the right place to leverage mobile app marketing. So try out this mobile app building software today to accelerate the growth of your business. So now if you are decided to buy this product, then just click on the first link in the description and join the program of Zappable, and also access all your bonuses. As you buy this product, you will get all your bonuses which are worth of thousands of dollars in your JV page members area. So I hope that this review had helped you to make a wise decision, and thanks for watching the video till the end, and meet you in the next review, and meet you in the next trusted product review. So goodbye and take care of yourself.